So guys, here is the Deadbolt. I upgraded with aluminium. All these pieces is from Boomer Racing, and also yeah, I'm going to let you show you what I change and so, and I hope you enjoy it. So I want to begin with the roof. So you can see I put this on the roof, this rubber, this also recoup from I don't know, I cannot remember from what, but I got it myself and I put it, I can also all of it, and I put also, you know, the LED bar. I have problems with it, but now is okay. I got the 5 LEDs on. Also I got 2 LEDs on the front and also 2 LEDs on the rear, but there I'll show you later in the video, so you can see I did it. So, and also if you can see it, little cannons of monster for Mr. Skull. It's nice. Later I'm going to put some other stuffs in it, but yeah, I'm going to see that later. So that was the body. So here you got, yeah, all the links, the arms here, the suspensions. So I change it, the shocks from Boomer Racing, the G6 shocks. That's very nice. I like it. The flex is also there. Also on the rear, on the front. Yeah, that's very nice. Also I got the bigger springs here on the rear in it, and the medium on the front. So is a little bit down on the front than on the rear. On the rear is come directly upside, and on the front a little bit. So you can see that. And also I change the motor. I put Axial, the 55T in it, orange color, because I want to have pieces from orange for the Deadbolt. Also I put cables and for the lights, for the LEDs, and so for the roof and on the front and so. Also I change these pieces. I don't know just what you call that, but you see there is metal, also from Boomer Racing. This is also in metal. That is other mark. The servo arms in aluminium, orange from Boomer Racing also. And yeah, so you can see that's very nice. And also on the rear this, so yeah, you can see. So, and here on the side you got all the pieces that change. So yeah, no, I'm very glad with this. I tested, and yeah, it's very good, awesome. I'm so happy with it. I want to say thank you to AX10 for the fast sending. I posting for 6 days. I get the pieces, and then I go when the evening I put all my time to put all these pieces. I think it's in totality 13 pieces that I change on this car. Also, yeah, I paid it myself. It's not a gift. I hope that a gift later comes. So yeah, now I'm going to show you what the LEDs on. So I put the LEDs on it, and I'm going to show you so you can see the LEDs on the front. It's nice. I like it. Yeah, I like it. So also on the roof, there on the front of the car. Then I'm going to show you on the rear so you can see. I put also LEDs on the rear. That's cool. I love it so. That is nice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. You like it, and yeah, let me know what you thinking about it. That was a project that I want to do when I got the Deadbolt. I want to change these pieces that are black in orange, and also an upgrade that's look awesome. And so you like it, share, and if you want also these pieces, I put down below all the pieces that I change. If you have Deadbolt, so you can find the pieces down below and the website where you can go for buy some pieces. Yeah, thank you for watching RC AX22, and see you the next time. Peace. Bye.